Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you have a YETI wine tumbler, but you do not have a lid for it? Well, I want to show you this, one of my favorite YETI accessories. So this is for the 10-ounce wine tumbler. I love it for a few reasons. One, it is a really nice, simple, clean design. It's clear so you can see inside, so you know if your drink is empty or full, which is good. It has a magnet here, so when it slides, it stays in place and it will stay open or stay closed. You don't have to worry about it opening up on its own, which is really nice. And one of my absolute favorite features of this lid is the fact that you can actually pop the slider off because it is on that little magnet. So it makes it very easy to clean, because there's nothing worse than a lid to a cup that is very difficult to clean and it just stays kind of gross. So this is awesome. It's very easy to clean and maintain, and it fits perfectly on top of your YETI wine tumbler. So you can just pop it on there. It has that rubber gasket around it, so it makes a really nice secure fit. Pop it on there and you're good to go. So if your wine tumbler is in desperate need of a MagSlider lid, I would suggest you pick one up because I absolutely love it. And that is my point of view.